Hari Om children, let us start the session. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes, take a deep breath. Om. Again take a deep breath. Again take a deep breath. Start beginning prayer.
सहनावतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै शांति 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 हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः हरि ओम
Learning objectives: to know about how to write an informal letter, to know about the rules of informal letter. Hari Om children, today we are going to learn informal letter, how to write informal letter and format. Let us see children.
In informal letter writing. So, what is an informal letter? An informal letter is a letter written to your friends, family, or relatives. In this letter, you can use your personal tone and also casual language is used. Sometimes the letters may even have an emotional undertone. Now look at the format of informal letter writing. One must follow the format while writing an informal letter. On the left side of the page, just next to the margin, write the sender's address and it should be in 2 to 3 lines like given in the box. After sender's address, leave one line and write the date, and it should be written like 21st August 2020 and not like 21/08/2020. This is wrong. It should be like 21st August 2020. After date, leave one line and write salutation. Salutation means how you want to greet, like write dear XYZ or any receiver's name. Then leave one line and now begin with the main content. Content should be divided into 3 paragraphs. First paragraph is the introductory para. You might begin by asking about their well-being. The opening should be casual and comforting. In second paragraph, it should include the main matter in detail. In third paragraph, you have to sum up the reason for writing the letter, like say a meaningful and affectionate goodbye to the reader. Then after one line comes the subscription like yours lovingly or yours affectionately or yours loving son or daughter or yours loving friend. And in the end comes the sender's name. Now look at the solved example of informal letter. The question is, you are Akriti or Abhinav, write a letter to your friend describing your boarding school experience. So basically you have to write a letter describing your experience, that how you are living your life in a boarding school and how you got adjusted in the boarding school. First of all, write sender's address, that is A/29 City Views Apartment, Mayur Vihar Phase 3, Delhi. Leave one line and write date, that is 21st August 2020. Then leave one line and write salutation, that is Dear Ekta. Then comes the main matter of the letter. It has been a while since I have heard from you. How have you been? I hope this letter finds you in the best of your health and cheerful spirits. As you know, I have got admission in a boarding school. I wanted to share my initial days experience with you. Earlier I was stressed as I have never been away from my family since childhood. But we cannot cage ourselves in a small world which matches our comfort level. I want to thank you for your precious advice at the time I needed it the most. You said it very truly that we should not reach to conclusions without even visiting the campus. Your words were really very encouraging. That time it seemed to be a bold decision, but now I am slowly and happily adapting to the new environment. Way of teaching here is very impressive and totally different from my previous school. More focus on co-curricular activities helps a lot in making friends from different blocks. I have started feeling that I am a part of this institution now. There is a lot to share about my new school when we will meet. Eagerly waiting to see you soon. Yours lovingly, Akriti. So this was all about informal letter writing. मैंने letter to friend का example दिया है, बाकी family और relative.
Recapitulation. An informal letter is a non-official letter that we usually use to write to our friends, family or relatives. Learning outcome. The tone of an informal letter is friendly and full of feelings. Therefore, these letters are also called social letters.
Sit down on the ground comfortably. Without moving your head and neck, look upwards and then downwards. Keep your neck and back straight. Now look at the sides, alternating with the left and right. Do not move your neck while looking sideways. Now look to your left, then look upwards. Move your eyes right and then look down. Look upwards, to your right, and then down. Now look upwards, then to your left and down. Now alternatively, look to your left once after looking upwards, before looking down, and then look to your right the next time after looking up. Close your eyes and rest for some time. Sit comfortably and bring your hands straight forward at shoulder height and raise your thumbs. Look at your thumbs. Slowly spread apart your hands. Look at your left and right thumbs alternatively while spreading your hands apart. Bring your hands together, continuing to look at your left and right thumbs alternatively. Close your eyes and rest for some time.
Just conclude this video. We chant Om 3 times. Close your eyes. Chant Om 3 times.
पूर्णमद पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते